Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today I have Estee Lauder. Oh yeah, I did a little BELK 20% off beauty, and I not only got my Estee Lauder products that I needed, but I also got a free gift from Estee Lauder. So I guess you could say this is a BELK Estee Lauder haul, and I'm so excited to show it to you. It came in 2 packages, and in order to get the free gift I had to spend $39.50, which was not a problem because I was wanting to restock one of my foundations, so that right there took care of it. But because they had the 20% off, it dropped it down below $40, so I added in this product that came in this bag here. And I'll just go ahead and show you because I did have to get 2 items in order to make the $39.50. But I got the Futurist Aqua Brilliance Watery Glow Primer. It's a hydration for the skin, and you can use it under any of their foundations or any of your foundation. And it's probably going to be really moist. Yeah, there it is right there. And creamy. It goes on smooth. It's not thick, so in other words, it's not going to be heavy on your skin. It's going to go over for a primer, and it's going to dry thinly, and it's going to protect your skin. It's going to draw in more moisturizing. It also, I will tell you, you apply it to clean skin, of course, wear alone or underneath makeup or touch up as desired. And let's see here, I thought maybe it would tell us a little bit more about it here, but it really doesn't. But this has hyaluronic acid in it and some other things that helps pull moisture into your skin, and if I'm not mistaken, it pulls it in all day long, and it's a primer illuminator at the same time. So it's very good for your skin, and as you can see, it's already absorbed into my hand. It's not sticky or tacky or anything, just really smooth. Love Estee Lauder products. Then I got this box, and this has my other items that I purchased. And we have some stuffing in there, and then all my goodies I think might be in that bag. And that's part of my free gift. Well, no, it's not in there. My other item is right here. Guys, this is Estee Lauder's Futurist Hydra Rescue. Now, you know I use the Estee Lauder Double Wear, but I also sometimes in conjunction, and this is the 4-1 Shell Beige, I will mix this with my Double Wear. So, you know, I already keep about 3 colors so that I can, whatever color I'm being at the present, because I can get really pale and kind of whitish looking, or what I call white, and then I can get really tan. So I got me a medium in this, and I love this packaging. Now this cost about, I think, $38, and this would be like $45 or $50. I think it's $50 for this. Yeah, I do believe it is. And anyways, it's got its pump already on there. I'm gonna pump out a little bit. And as you know, I got the beige color because I wanted it to be kind of neutral since I blended in. So it's not going to quite match my skin because I'm a little bit darker than that, but it's going to blend in good enough. And then when I add my other colors, it's going to, you know, blend in just perfectly. So as I'm blending this in on top of the primer, it's doing real good. It's not too moist, and it's drying down good. The only thing that I don't know that this does is if it stays on. Look at there, it covered up a bunch of my spots. But it is very comfortable. It has the hydrating in it, but I don't know if it's like Double Wear where it'll stay on. You know, like I can sleep with Double Wear on. It's on all day, all night. Next day, get up and go. My makeup's still all good, even my eyes and everything. But today I put on fresh. And that's what I usually do. But I just had to make a little joke there. But anyways, I am known to do that, especially like on vacation. There was many nights I just went to bed in my makeup, got up the next morning, went to breakfast, looked like I had a full face of makeup, hadn't even touched it. That's just how good Estee Lauder is. Wore it all day, even during swimming, and then of course take it off and start all over in the evening. But anyways, I am a big fan of Estee Lauder's facial foundations, and I got these 2 because, like I said, this one holds moisture and pulls moisture into your skin. So I mix it with my Double Wear, and it's not tacky or sticky, so it dries down pretty good. Now, that was an $80 purchase, I think, altogether. But for $39.50, you could get this. And I got this nice little red bag from Estee Lauder, and it has EL over here for Estee Lauder. And of course, it's kind of like, I guess you'd say, red, white, and blue a little bit for the holiday. And then inside we have this bag of goodies of freebies. And let's see what we have in now. Now, this is a nice little bag, and it's also a nice little shopping bag if you want to have it in your car, or if you're going on vacation and you want to have a bag to take with you that's kind of nautical and or for the summer, then this would be great for that. Now, inside here, I believe I have about maybe $150 free gifts, but they're sample size, so I don't know exactly how they get their pricing for that, but you know, they always tell you you're getting a free gift that's worth $100 or something dollars. If I can find the exact amount, I'll let you know. But I got me another Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. This is my favorite hyaluronic acid. This is more than hyaluronic acid. It does so much more, and it works all day and all night. You can use it during the day, and you can use it at night, of course, like it says. But you can also use it in the day just to refresh your makeup and to help pull more moisture into your face. We have some Perfectly Clean. This is a multi-action foam cleanser purifying mask. So it duals as both. You can put it on and leave it on a few minutes and then rinse it off. And it's very good. We got us a little sample of a lip gloss, and if I put this on here, it's gonna see, it's just kind of sheer. I just wanted to show you. I don't want to put it on over this red lipstick because it will turn that red, that's for sure. We got us a little, I think this is a Revitalizing Supreme eye cream, and that's what it looks like. How creamy that is. I love it. That's one of my favorites. I use this pretty often. I will tell y'all that I have been using other products, you know, because I get so many products, trying out some other ones. But I am going to say at nighttime, I go back to Estee Lauder. I was using others, and I could tell a big difference between the performance of what I was using with Estee Lauder and then what I was using at night with others. So I switched back to Estee Lauder. They have a fantastic night cream. Anyways, I got that, and then I got the Revitalizing Supreme Plus Moisturizer. And this is a really nice creamy moisturizer as well. It has peptides, all kinds of good things to feed your skin. And this would be something that I would use during the day if I'm not using another moisturizer that's not Estee Lauder. Like I said, I don't normally ever do that, but here lately this year I started using some of the other just to see, and some of it's been good. And I have found that I like the Borgie or Bourget or however you call that brand, B-O-R-G-E-E-S-E or something like that, Borchesi. However you pronounce it, I found that I like that. This is a nice red lipstick. It's kind of a pinky red. Wonder what color this is. It is Pink Sunset, so that's why it looks pink. And there you go. There's your better look of it. Because I mixed it with my red, but you could tell that it toned down my red a little bit. I'm gonna like that. I like that color. That's a pretty color. Look at that. Yeah, I look like I'm trying to talk to you with my hand. But I'm gonna like that lipstick. I'm gonna put it in my purse. Okay, guys, and then I have a gloss. But see, when you use the gloss over that, it's gonna turn your doe foot pink or red or whatever color you're using, but I'll still use it. And this is the Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy Lip Repair Potion. So this is a lip repair that I could even use at night. Now they used to, in their little baggie, give you a little information on what you got. But when they do, it's so little it's hard to read it. I can't read that, it's so small. But I know what all these products are. I really didn't need, I could even tell y'all and describe what they are used for and how you use it, because I've used every single one of these products, because I am a huge Estee Lauder fan. Now, if you want to go to BELK, I would suggest going to belk.com, and I would suggest signing up for their emails, and they will email you when they're having beauty 20% off. Now, they will have beauty 15% off, but they will also have beauty 20% off, and this is beauty and perfume. So we're talking about all. If you don't use Estee Lauder, that's okay. If you use Clinique, if you use Borghese, if you whatever you use, it's 20% off of beauty and perfumes most of the time. So if you've got a favorite, like I like Miss Dior, of course I like lots of them, but that's one that I'll get. I like Gucci. I like all different ones of Gucci and Prada. So yeah, but my favorite is Miss Dior and Giorgio. And Giorgio is so inexpensive because, you know, that came out in the 80s, and now it's like old hat, old news, and it's like 20 bucks to get my favorite cologne and perfume. And I can even get kits that I get lotion and everything for 20 bucks. But I mean, that's my favorite. But now if I want my second favorite, like Miss Dior, we're talking of 100 or more. So, you know, if you want to save 20% on a big purchase like that, then I would suggest that. Now, Macy's.com sometimes will have beauty sale, but I don't know that they do a straight 20% off the top, and BELK does. And then you can sign up for their rewards and get $5 extra or $10 extra or whatever their special is. But they also have great jewelry prices and sales, which if you've watched some of my other videos, you already know that. And of course they have household items and clothes. And guys, I can tell you this is not tacky or anything. It just feels great. So I'm gonna love using that. So yeah, very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay guys, I'm just rambling and going on, but you know I love Estee Lauder, so I highly recommend the Hydra and the Brilliance. I have not used this before, but I use all their other primers, so I don't have any reason not to believe that this wouldn't be perfect and work very well under your makeup and or without makeup. It says you can use it either or. I love this lipstick, the lip gloss, I love it all. You know, so it's Estee Lauder, so I really can't pick a favorite because it's all my favorite. I like all of the Estee Lauder product line. Okay guys, that's it. That's all I have. And don't forget, I did get this free bag, and I will try to get you some pricing. I do know my makeup was $80, so let's just say if it was $150 value for this, because I know lipsticks alone are $30, and that's a full-size lipstick. So it's possible on that, but I don't, and this is, I just don't know. But anyway, I'll try to get you some prices up there. If not, it's okay. Just know that they have sales all the time. I don't know if the 20% is on right now. But as far as Estee Lauder and BELK.com, that's all I have today. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.